Bela is a very curious character.
Kai is that fun-loving guy जो ग्रुप में सबसे छोटा है. उसका go-to dialogue is एक बार 18 का होने दो, तब मैं सबको दिखाऊंगा.
Before becoming an influencer, I was a child actor. We both actually were child actors. One of my crying videos, and एक ही आंख से उसमें मैंने आंसू गिरा था, and that crossed 50 million on TikTok.
We are an actor first. मैंने acting की है. मैं जब से 7 साल का था, I've traveled in local trains, I've gone. And it's not something कि मैंने एक रील बनाया, one hit wonder हो गया, and next day I'm on big screen. But my end goal is being a superstar, not an influencer.
हेलो हिटफ्लिक फैम, आज हमारे साथ बहुत ज्यादा यंग एनर्जी है और ये यंग एनर्जी एक सीरीज के लिए है जो डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार पे आ रही है. द पावर ऑफ 1 2 3 कितने हैं?
5.
Okay, so before I introduce them to you, I think because we got this young blood और उनकी खुद की एनर्जी बहुत ज्यादा वो है, so why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, it's me, Riva Arora.
And hi, I am Segal.
And मतलब आपका क्या पार्ट है उसमें? आपने शूटिंग की, कैमरा पकड़ा, एक्टिंग की, मेकअप किया. What role do you play in the series?
मैंने इसमें एक्टिंग की, कैमरा भी एक बार मैंने एक वीडियो है, मैंने कैमरा ऐसे किया, बस रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया, कुछ शूट नहीं किया, बस ऐसे किया, that's it. And खुद का मेकअप भी किया. Wow.
मैंने सिर्फ एक्टिंग की है and I'm playing Kai in this show.
Okay. And थोड़ा अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताएं.
Bela is a very curious character, and she has too many layers to herself. She is still figuring out what is happening around her, what is in her life, why is this happening. So she wants to find everything out. She has that much curiosity, and I think that her bond with her mother, that is really special. Her friendships, her bond with her siblings, it's amazing. I think Bela is really amazing.
Kai is that fun-loving guy जो ग्रुप में सबसे छोटा है, तो सब उसे एकदम एक छोटे भाई की तरह मानते हैं. उसका go-to dialogue is एक बार 18 का होने दो, तब मैं सबको दिखाऊंगा. So he's that fun-loving guy. He loves dance. He loves all his friends. He loves his siblings. And yeah.
So is it important to have a chemistry between actors जब आप ये ऐसा रोल करते हो? How important is it?
I think with us, हम लोग तो जब सभी पूरा ग्रुप जब मिला था, हम सब, that's when we instantly connected. And I think it's quite important to have a connection with your co-actor, because when you act with them, it should look very real. And when you see all of our scenes, so you can see the friendship, you can see the bond visible. Like, yeah, it's real.
Yeah, just that it shows on screen that you are actually close with all the co-actors and not just acting for the sake of acting, just because हमारा character है सिर्फ एक दूसरे के साथ करनी है. But if you are close, it will show in the screen.
But आपके बाकी co-actors इस वक्त है नहीं, कुछ बुराई करनी है तो कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ है?
वो लोग वहीं बैठे हैं, उसमें हम क्या ही बोले अभी तो.
And बाकी जो हैं वो भी फैमिली की तरह है. That's not just co-actors, they are
Exactly.
family.
Now they are family, not just co-actors anymore.
So you guys have also, आपने वो अचीव किया है जो बहुत सारे लोग कर नहीं पाते. आज से 10 साल पहले अगर किसी को एक्टर बनना है तो काबिलियत शायद वो 2 मिनट के ऑडिशन में होता था, ये चीजें होता है, और उसके बाद भी कई बार डायरेक्टर्स और मेकर्स यूज्ड टू गो रॉन्ग. बट विद यू ऑलरेडी past a certain level, which is basically being a influencer in the social media. अगर आज आप बाहर खिड़की पे पत्थर मारो तो हर आदमी यही बनना चाहता है, या they want somebody who can validate what they are doing. So I'll start with you. How is the journey of being an influencer?
Well, the journey of being an influencer is quite amazing, but I would like to add one more thing. Before becoming an influencer, I was a child actress.
Okay.
Yeah, and we both actually were child actors.
You still are.
But yeah, we are young actors now.
Just being a part of the acting thing, does it help becoming an influencer? Because ये एक अलग ही ball game है, और जितना लगता है आसान उतना आसान है नहीं.
Obviously. So, I'm always an actor first. I always say that I'm always an actor first, then an influencer, because I came on social media in 2020, and I came on social media in 2020, and I think when I started posting, people knew me as the Uri girl. They were like, "Arey, ye to Uri wali ladki hai, arey, ye to Uri wali ladki hai." So that's how then I started making videos, then I started showcasing my acting, and I still remember when I was on TikTok, one of my crying videos. So it was some trend that I made, and I cried in that. And एक ही आंख से उसमें मेरे आंसू गिरा था. It was like a trend कि एक ही आंख से आंसू गिरेगा, something it was. And that crossed 50 million on TikTok, which was, I think, the first big thing for me on TikTok. And then I came on Instagram, and then when I started posting on Instagram, I started receiving so much love. I started showing people who I am, and for me, Instagram is just the cherry on top for me. And I just am who I am on Instagram. I just feel like I can post whoever I am. People love me for me. That's the best part about having Instagram and being there on Instagram, that you can post anything you like, and people who love you will still support you. And people have supported our show as well, Power of March, so much that we've received so much love.
So रीवा का तो आंसू निकालने का एक बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मूला है. And she's making it sound so simple, but it's not. So
yeah, so one thing I would like to correct you on is just that I'm not an influencer. I'm a content creator. Sure, I create content for all types of audiences, but I'm not an influencer. Influencing is a different ball game, as you said. बहुत मेहनत लगती है, but I am, as she said, we are an actor first. मैंने acting की है, मैं जब से 7 साल का था, I've traveled in local trains, I've gone to give auditions. एक दिन में मैं 10 audition दे रहा हूँ मम्मी के साथ अपने. And it's not something कि मैंने एक reel बनाया, one hit wonder हो गया, and next day I'm on big screen. So this content creation thing hasn't helped me in any ways. I'd say in any ways. I'll genuinely say it hasn't helped me in any ways, because I've always been acting. Social media, when it became the big thing, I just started, okay, if I'm doing something, I'll record something, I'll record a BTS, I'll post my ads, I'll post my movie highlights. That's all. That is where I draw the line. I don't want to be someone whose main focus is that posting. Sure, there are people jinka household chal raha hai, and I appreciate it. It's a very hard game. You have to think of a content, you have to shoot, you have to write a script, you have to do lighting and all. But me personally, I am not that person. I am an actor, so I have struggled. I have done my fair share of struggle, and I will continue to do the hard work to reach where I want to be. But my end goal is being a superstar, not an influencer.
Super.
Yeah.
So I think 10 years from now, we are going to revisit this video.
Exactly.
And say, यार जो आपने
That
बोला
is
था
the
वो
goal.
सच हो गया.
Definitely.
But I think it's a double effort, because एक तो आप acting करना चाहते हैं, वो बहुत मुश्किल है, because you know, I don't know how many hundreds of people want to become actors and come to the city every day, which is Mumbai. पर social media जो लोगों को लगता है आसान है, अरे ये तो content creator है, वो आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि you have to constantly, it's a constant this thing. So what are the don'ts you have to, मतलब अगर किसी को social media influencer बनना है, I'll start with you, तो वो क्या चीजें हैं जो लोग गलतियां करते हैं?
क्या what I feel and what I personally try to like put out when I'm making content is कि मैं खुद को पोर्ट्रे करूं. Like I'm not some fake person. कुछ हुआ, मैंने कॉपी कर लिया, मैंने डाल दिया क्योंकि दूसरे का चल गया. What I feel, what I personally, अगर मैं audience में हूँ, तो I would like to see the real you, the real person who I want to see. So that is what I expect when I see कुछ content. I want to see the real them. I don't care if it's funny, if it's not funny, they're lame, if they're acting, if they're doing dance, or if it's a comedy. I just want to see how they are, how they do what they do in real life, and the real them, like the humble ground to that them, and not something that they are trying to be, but they aren't.
Okay.
So that is do what I would say is keep be yourself.
So you are yourself on internet as well as this thing, because one of the biggest advantages you have, जो बहुत सारे लोगों में नहीं है, कि you are an extrovert and you speak your mind. So I think वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है. But आपके हिसाब से what are the things people do right or wrong in the social media?
I think what they shouldn't do is they shouldn't give up so easily. I've seen many people who start making content, and when it doesn't go viral, they just shut it and they're like, "नहीं, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा." It's not just that. You have to keep, if it's your dream, you have to complete your dream. You have to follow your goals. I don't think you shouldn't give up on your goals so easily. Like many people, I would tell them that keep making content, even if it's not working, one day you will be viral. I mean, it's not that I just started posting instantly, मेरे एकदम से 11.5 million followers हो गए. It took time from 2020 to 2025, now I have these many followers, which I'm so grateful for. And obviously it takes time, it takes hard work, you have to work hard. Even while making content, it's like you have to have everything perfect. Not perfect, like just, I would also say that just be yourself and just don't make yourself look like somebody you're not, because people aren't going to love you like that. People should love you for who you are and not who you show them that you are.
But any fan feedback you've got जो बड़ी funny रहा हो या बड़ा अजीब सा रहा हो, because ज्ञान तो यहाँ सब बांटते हैं.
Fan feedback जो बहुत funny रहा है.
Yeah, do you read your fans' comments? And
Yeah, I do read my fans' comments.
you're motivating people to write more comments on your posts.
लिखो और comment लिखो, मैं तो पढ़ती रहती हूँ. नहीं, but this one comment that I read, I found it very sweet. It was a whole paragraph that they wrote on this art trailer only. That Riva Dee as Bela Dee is one of the best thing that has ever happened to us, and we get to see more of her acting is one of the most biggest blessing of our life. Something. I think that it was something like that only, which was so. It was when I read that comment, it just made my day. I was like, I was feeling so blessed and grateful to have such amazing fans who love me so much, and I love them from the bottom of my heart.
Cool. So Yash, coming to this, so एक एडवांटेज है आपका कि आप कुछ भी करें आपको एक फीडबैक मिलता है. आप एज एन एक्टर ऑल्सो कंटेंट डालते हैं तो कोई खराब करेंगे तो आपको बदलता है. लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम कि तुम अपने ही साइलो में हो, तुम्हें पता ही नहीं कि तुम गलत कर रहे हो. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ सोशल मीडिया एडवांटेज यू हैव. डू यू टेक दिस एज एन एडवांटेज फॉर यू एज एन एक्टर?
Actually, yeah, I do. I really like if I am doing something, if I'm posting a content, or if I am acting, I would want the audience to give me a feedback, because in the end, I'm also doing this for them. So if they are like, okay, we didn't like this, oh, okay, can you do? So I take it. It's not that कि मैंने वो दिल पे ले लिया अगर उन्होंने मुझे कुछ hate comment बोल दिया. It's not that. I'll take it, I'll learn from it, and I'll improve next time.
But as an actor, if you get a script, what are the nuances you look at it? क्या देखते हो जो आपको कि यार ये चीज है, इसकी वजह से मुझे ये करना चाहिए?
मैं पर्सनली यूजुअली स्टोरी ही देखता हूँ, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन जिसको अगर मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ूंगा सो आई हैव टू लाइक गो इनटू द जोन एंड ये वो. आई गो ऐसा. सो आई मीन ऑब्वियसली इट्स डिफरेंट, सबका अलग बेटर होता है. मेरे लिए इट्स द स्टोरी एंड द कैरेक्टर, और एवरीथिंग आई सी इज हाउ आई वुड वांट टू सी समथिंग, बिकॉज आई एम अ मूवी बफ, सो आई वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. So if I can't get hooked onto that, then I'm like, why will other people get hooked onto that? So if I'm reading, I'm like, oh, this is interesting. Same with Power of Pacha. I gave auditions for like 5 different scripts. And when I was reading that 5 different scripts, I was like, oh, this character is different. ये अलग है. इसका कुछ अलग story चल रहा है. इसका बेला के साथ कुछ अलग character dynamic है. So it's like, wait, this is interesting. This is something I can do. And also I try to actually do new roles. Kai is a completely different role for me. I haven't done anything like this. So I just want to put different versions of myself out there. So like people see कि okay, ये सिर्फ एक जॉनर नहीं कर सकता, he has a range, ये भी कर सकता है, ये भी कर सकता है, ये भी कर सकता है.
So रीवा और बेला कितनी कॉमन या कितनी डिफरेंट है एक दूसरे से?
I think रीवा और बेला बहुत common में I would say that her love for her mother and my love for my mom. Like she loves her mom deeply and I love my mom deeply as well. And I can say that I'm bossy sometimes. I'm nice वैसे.
Most of the sometimes.
Most of the sometimes हो जाता है कभी-कभी, जान के नहीं करती मैं. But yeah, Bela is also bossy. And Bela and I, the thing we don't have in common is that वो बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाती है. She has anger issues, high anger issues. वो हर बात पे क्या कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, ऐसे करने लग जाती है. But for me, I will let things be until they're not okay, and then I'll burst एक साथ. तो जब वो एक साथ burst होगा, I'm different in that way with Bela. And common is how she has bonds with her friends, her family, her siblings. And जो चीज common नहीं है कि मेरा भाई नहीं है. यहाँ पे है.
So, but tell me one thing, जब आप किसी ऑडिशन करते हैं, मैंने कहीं उड़ती चिड़िया से सुना है कि आप साउथ में भी कुछ कर रहे हैं, यहाँ भी कर रहे हैं, म्यूजिक वीडियोस में भी कर रहे हैं, चीजें कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज योर प्रोसेस ऑफ चूजिंग समथिंग? अगर किसी और को आपकी तरह बनना है तो आपसे क्या सीखने को मिलेगा, क्या आप कैसे सोचते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं?
I think I look at the script and once I read it, I look at it as the audience. जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ती हूँ ना, आई रीड दैट एज द ऑडियंस कि अगर ये फिल्म बनेगी तो ऑडियंस को कितनी पसंद आएगी, एंड अगर ये वेब सीरीज बनेगी तो ऑडियंस को कितनी पसंद आएगी. दैट्स हाउ आई लुक एट द स्क्रिप्ट एंड द कैरेक्टर. आई शुड जस्ट feel the connection with the character. Once I get to read more about the character and I'm like, wait, we have this in common, we have this in common. And when the character has different layers and you know you can act out in such different ways, you have so much potential to do in this character. That's what I choose. When you have so much potential to showcase your acting skills is what I would choose.
So I think one of the biggest brands in the world is Disney.
Yes,
and you get to work, and obviously then there's Balaji.
Yes.
So your experience will start with you, with working with Balaji as well as. So
this whole show is pretty special for me because बहुत सारा मेहनत, बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क किया है. उसमें बहुत सारे सीक्वेंसेस ऐसे किए जो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था ऑडिशन देने के टाइम कि आगे चल के स्क्रिप्ट में ये भी आएगा. So acting wise मैं बहुत ग्रो किया हूँ इस शो को करते हुए. I've done a lot of scenes and I've learned a lot of things from, because we had different directors. So, and I tried, whoever I worked with in the past also, I tried to take at least one thing from the director, which I know I'll use in the future. I've either taken a lot of things, and other than acting, it's the bonds and it's just what relationships are made in the show with all my co-actors. So, I literally posted a story from strangers to co-actors to family. And when I say family, it's not just that कि वो दिखाने के लिए, because we have that real connection. So something happened, I'll consider talking, I'll consider calling them. कुछ भी होगा, like if I learn anything new, कुछ gossip, I'll be like, Adi, this happened, Tanvi, this happened. And it's that we go to each other's houses, we go to party together. बहुत सारा, you know, it happens that after your show is done, you're like, okay, ठीक है, the show हो गया ना, you move on. But with them, it's like, okay, I'm kind of connected to them now.
Move on नहीं हो रहा,
नहीं हो रहा है थोड़ा सा. So other than acting, also this is something I took from the show. It was the people. It was just all my co-actors who are my family now.
So was the fact that it's a superhero story ज़्यादा exciting है, या what is the kind of role you want to play?
Want to play?
Yeah.
I think I would want to play Bella only.
Oh, nice.
Once you get to know her and you see how many different layers she has and what her character is, I would always choose Bella. And
तो मैं इसका एक सवाल का एक्सटेंशन करता हूँ. आज सुबह आप कितने बजे उठे?
7 बजे.
और कल रात कितने बजे सोए थे?
3:30.
तो ऑब्वियसली लोगों को लगता है बहुत इजी है, चीजें हैं, पर अगर आप 3:30 सो रहे हो और सुबह 7 बजे नहीं, लकी कई बार 6 या 5 बजे भी उठना पड़ता है, तो इट्स नॉट अ इजी जर्नी. सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट हार्ड वर्क? इज इट वर्थ इट?
Yes, 100% it's worth it, because I'm doing something that I love and that makes me happy. I don't think I'll ever be कि नहीं मुझे नहीं उठना. Once I know it's my work, I will be ready by that time. I know that. Because if there's a call time and if I have to wake up, my mom tells me कि कल इतने बजे उठना है because we have work, I will wake up at that time until the time she tells me कि इतने बजे तक ready हो जाना. I will be ready till that time. Because for me, acting is my passion and it's something that I love. I'm just fulfilling my dream out here. So why would I not be happy with it? I'm the happiest person on this earth.
So one thing you'd like to tell your fans, whether it's social media, whether it's with the series, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
Guys, Power of 5 आ गई है. प्लीज जाके देखो, बहुत सारा प्यार दो. न्यू एपिसोड्स एवरी फ्राइडे आ रहे हैं Disney Plus Hotstar पे. एंड थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने हमें इतना प्यार दिया, हमारी सीरीज को इतना प्यार दिया. And in fact, Allmax rated it in top 5 shows, which is a huge thing. We all saw it together and it was quite amazing, and getting so much love with just 2 weeks in the release. Like, we're just 2 weeks in release, and now every episode's coming, people loving it more and more just means so much to us that जितने प्यार से हम लोगों ने इसे बनाया है, उतने प्यार से people are watching and they are loving our character. That's the best thing.
So ये तो हो गया प्लग. अब कुछ पर्सनल भी बताएं अपने फैंस को, कुछ बोले.
कि थैंक यू सो मच कि मैं जो भी करती हूँ उसके लिए आप मेरे लिए हमेशा मेरे लिए मतलब you always stand up for me and you're always there for me. I love you all so much from the bottom of my heart, and thank you so much for being there for me. You guys mean a lot to me. Without you, I'm nothing. Thank you.
यश आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
First to plug because it is important. So Power of Parts Disney Plus Hotstar every Friday, 4 episodes. Personally, it's just that कि please show बहुत ढेर सारा प्यार to my show and I'll try my best to keep you all entertained and I'm doing more work and I'm bringing out a lot more stuff for you all to watch and just keep supporting. That's all.
बट एक ट्रिविया है, आप मिर्जापुर से हैं ओरिजिनली.
Yeah.
कुछ बताइए मिर्जापुर से बॉम्बे की जर्नी. तो व्हाट वाज इट स्टेइंग इन मिर्जापुर? और ये वही मिर्जापुर है जो हम सुनते आ रहे हैं.
It is the series wala, but it's a lot different. It's very peace. There's still good to wear. There's no one. It is a very peaceful place.
गोलियां कम चलती हैं वहाँ.
बहुत. तो it's just that अभी मैं last year दिसंबर में शादी के लिए गया था and मैं उधर गया at least 4 साल बाद. So it was just different because I know कि मैं यहाँ इतना सा था तो I grew up in those gullies. वही मंदिर जाना, वही गंगा घाट के पास, you go boating, and it was just too nostalgic and actually weird for me क्योंकि अब मैं इतना बड़ा हो गया हूँ और मेरे चाची लोग बोलते तुझे याद है तू यहाँ पे ये करता, तुझे याद है तू यहाँ से क्रिकेट बॉल करता. लाइक मुझे याद है, yes, and I miss that, but obviously यार मुंबई है तो मुंबई तो कहीं जाने नहीं वाला. But when I go there, it's a different feeling. It's a crazy nostalgic feeling. और मुझे लगता है कि मैं और थोड़ा टाइम वहाँ पे रह लूँ, और थोड़ा टाइम वहाँ पे रह लूँ, और थोड़ा टाइम, बट फिर शूट आ जाता है तो वापस आना पड़ता है.
सो रीवा, आप भी वैसे तो है तो मुंबई की, पर आपने भी वक्त दिल्ली में भी गुजारा है. तो ये जो दिल्ली मुंबई की बैटल,
मोस्ट ऑफ माय वक्त तो मुंबई में ही गुजारा है, लेकिन जहाँ पे पैदा हुई थी वो दिल्ली ही है.
पर ये जो दिल्ली मुंबई की बैटल है, ये कितना सच है?
बिल्कुल सच नहीं है. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, देखो मैं कितनी अच्छी हूँ यार. आधे सब यहाँ पे मुंबई कर, मैं फिर भी कितनी अच्छी हूँ. एंड मुंबई कर
तो बाकी खराब है, बाकी लोग खराब है.
नहीं, मुंबई कर आल्सो वेरी नाइस.
दिल्ली का खाना that I'll give, but दिल्ली का खाना अच्छा है, but we are just better.
Oh my god,
मुंबई
we'll talk about this later, not on camera right now. पीसफुल रहेंगे कैमरा के सामने. बट आई थिंक ये जो दिल्ली मुंबई का है ये तो चलता ही रहेगा. बट या आई थिंक Delhiites and Mumbaikars have a lot of love for each other as well. And
मुझे एक चीज लगती है कि दिल्ली में जो भाषा है वो अलग अलग जगह से आती है. पंजाब, हरियाणा, नॉर्थ के. No, so you learn when you are in Delhi, you learn Haryanvi, you learn Punjabi. तो वो आपकी जो भाषा को बहुत ज्यादा वेरिएशन देता है, इनहांस भी करता है. ये आप बिलीव करती है?
Yes, of course मैं बिलीव करती हूँ.
तो कुछ पंजाबी में बोल के बताइए.
मैंने तो पंजाबी आंदी है, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ आंदी है?
पावर ऑफ 5 के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
साडा शो पावर ऑफ 5 मैं बहुत टूटी फूटी पंजाबी बोलती हूँ, प्लीज जज मत करना, मुझे नहीं आती पंजाबी. उधर से मम्मी थोड़ा सा बता दो क्या बोलना है आगे. साडा शो पावर ऑफ 5 आ चुका है, हिंदी आ गई डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार पे. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਓ, ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ੋ ਨੂੰ ढेर सारा प्यार दो. बहुत खराब है, सॉरी.
No, it's very cute, it's very this thing. So thank you so much for coming. Thank you and super energetic energy of both of you. So बाकी लोग इतने अच्छे नहीं थे, आप तो बहुत अच्छे थे. So thank you so much.
अब आप उनको भी यही बोलोगे ना?
Obviously.
पता था मुझे, ये पता था मुझे.